My name is Deep. Very happy. I sense that it was a bad dream. It was a very bad dream and now we all woke up. Yeah. مبروك مبروك مبروك. الشعب أراد وأسقط النظام. الشعب أراد وأسقط النظام. الشعب أراد وأسقط النظام. الشعب أراد وأسقط النظام.
I know it's ecstatic. I can't really describe how I feel. 30 years of oppressions. We never were able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Everyone almost lost hope. But when everyone, the real victory is all Egyptians started loving each other again. It all started with the love. We love ourselves and our country and each other. And that's how we're going to start and that's how we're going to continue.